really looking forward to today. I mean, I've just arrived and I can see already there's a lot of energy in the room.
It's about connection, it's about empowering one another.
It's phenomenal seeing such a room full of amazing women, entrepreneurs, doing their thing.
There's a wealth and breadth of women from all different types of industries really getting together, sharing information, inspiring each other and building networks.
It just shows the diversity within the borough.
It's an incredible platform for all the women to come together, talk about all our challenges and pick up some incredible nuggets.
I'm speaking today on the panel about setting up a project in lockdown. Just really excited to be here with lots of other women in Wandsworth and celebrating lots of different successes and hopefully making some new connections.
Today we have a brilliant lineup of interviews, panel discussions and workshops to really help you supercharge your scale up. We'll also be announcing the winners of the Wandsworth Women's Enterprise Awards, which is recognising some of the amazing female entrepreneurs in the borough.
The food is great, everything is amazing. Well done, organisers.
Lovely food, lovely to see all the lovely organisations together be getting their awards.
It's encouraging and motivating to see the winners.
Some of the people that were at the event last year were winners this year.
It's such a beautiful event that recognizes all the hardworking women.
There was a 23-year-old that is really inspiring, which is changing the narrative and teaching the next generation that you don't have to be a certain age to be a successful businesswoman.
I was super excited to win the Rising Star Award. So grateful for the recognition and all the support from the community here.
I was a judge on the awards, I know how worthy they are.
Really interesting, inspiring stories from very successful women.
The speakers, the panels, everything about it has been about quality.
And obviously as a solo entrepreneur, it can be quite isolating. So just to get into a room, share ideas, get some learnings.
I'm here running a workshop where people can ask a question and find an answer, a solution, a resource or a contact that will help them move their business forwards.
We've had that amazing activity, which actually it turned out to be like a really good conversation, really icebreaker.
Very good session where we networked so that everybody found out about each person's area of speciality. We were given opportunities to write down what sort of areas that we're looking for.
To also work on that branding exercise.
It's organised perfectly.
It's definitely sparked some creativity and I'm really excited to take away some of the ideas that the speakers have shared.
It's really nice to see some of the ladies that were here over the years and how their business has grown as well.
The women that I have met are incredible. I feel like we could take over the world together.
I just love being here.
It's one of the most sociable, friendly spaces I've been to in ages.
Which is why I make sure that I come every single year and I normally make a nice friend out of it as well.
The vibe today has been so buzzy and supportive and energetic. I think it's been a really great example of women helping other women. Everyone's been exchanging business cards and arranging to meet up.
Credit to Jenni for pulling off such a fantastic event.
We had about 115, 20 women in attendance. We had some amazing speakers, wonderful panel discussion. Hope to see you next year.
The 10-year anniversary one, I can't wait.